Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Technology. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic as overview of Python programming language for a general introduction. Let's see the topic. Here we are going to learn about the concepts or introduction to Python, Python ecosystem, and then Python basics. Let's see. The first one is introduction to Python. The brief history of Python, and then the Python philosophy and the design elements. Okay, the brief history of Python means Python was created by Giovanni Rosen and first released in 1991. In 1991, Giovanni Rosen introduced the Python language. It is the high level language. Okay, it is one of the high level language. It is used in many places, many big companies, and then game developments. Okay, it's the user friendly language. We're going to create a Python language. Coding is comparatively other than language, it's a very easy language. It's a very user friendly language. Okay, the Python philosophy and the design elements. The Python empathize code reliability and simplicity, drawing on principles like they should be one and predictably only one obvious why do it, promoting efficient code practices. Okay, it is it increase the efficient code practices. Okay. Key features of the Python. Here I give what are all the key features of our Python programming language. It's a simple and readable syntax. Okay, already I said it's a very simple language. It's a user friendly language. Other than Word, it's a very user friendly language, and then it's a syntax is so simple and readable. Okay, the next one is versatility in applications. Versatility is an applications. The next one is Python basics. Here I give the common data types and variables or in our Python programming language. Common data types in Python's integer, float, string, boolean, like those are all the common data types. Okay, the variable naming conventions. The variable means it's a address of the value. Okay, variable means it's a address of the value. If suppose we want to store some values in one place, means that place need a one address. No, that place need a one address. That is called a variable. That is called a variable. The next one is conditional statements. The conditional statements is if else later, etc. Okay, if we going to check a condition, if the condition is true, we want to execute one statement. If the condition is false, we execute the another statement. Means we're going to use, in this time we're going to use the conditional statements. Okay, the next one is looping concepts. The looping concepts used to executes the same code again and again until our condition is false. Thus the use of the usability of this looping concept is it decrease our timings, it reduce our timings, and then the reduce our memory usage, CPU usage, and user or a code developer or a program developer's times. Okay, here I give us some libraries and frameworks for the Python. Okay, overview of popular libraries, NumPy and Pandas. For example, NumPy and Pandas. The NumPy and Pandas are we going to use the many places on in our Python programming languages. Okay, the framework for web development, for example, Flask and Django. Okay, the Python programming languages are nowadays using in many companies like Google, game development, and then bank sectors like in many places, because it's a very simple and user friendly language. So many places we're going to use this language. Here I give some Python community and resources, online learning platforms, and the community supports the for our forums. Okay, there are numerous online platforms offering the Python courses. Okay, we going to easily learn Python language. We're going to learn easily Python language. It's a very friendly language. Its syntaxes are very easy, and then easily understandable language. Hope all you have understand the concept in Python programming basics. Thank you all.